Well, Anthony, I heard I was on a bit of a road trip with these awards, and I'll be honest, I thought I was on my way on a flight to Australia to come and see you. But unfortunately, we've got to do it over Zoom. Obviously, I'd like to congratulate you on winning the Manager of the Year award in the Cymru Premier. What does that mean to you?
Yeah, well, I mean, I think it's obviously an unbelievable achievement and thing to achieve as a manager the first time. But I think you can obviously never do it without, first of all, your players who have been fantastic. You don't win the award unless the players are delivering and taking on board your ideas and putting them into practice. And also the staff. I've got unbelievable staff at TNS who have really bought into what I've wanted to do. And there was a lot of good work going on before I come in with the staff as well, and being hugely supported by everyone at the club. So I think you only win those awards if the people around you and are helping you and making your job easier to do, are doing a great job, and they really are there. It's a really team effort here at TNS, so I can't thank those people enough, and the awards for them as well, for sure.
And winning it so early, what sort of feeling does that give you?
It felt strange, really, because that last game with the penny bomb game, obviously the trophy was there, the celebration had been planned, the TV cameras were there, and being 2-0 down at half-time wasn't really part of the plan. So that was it didn't feel like we were sort of 20-odd points in front during that game, to be fair. And to get over the line there and get that point, coming back from 2-0 down at half-time, I felt like was a real achievement by the players and the staff and the fan, everybody there. And that was a really happy moment.
Cup final then, that was always going to be the cherry on top. Amazing to get that double done.
Yeah, it was. We always know that Pennybon and Reese and his teams go right to the end, and they were only a set play away if they'd scored one, which we proved was right. And we wanted to make sure we saw the game out, which I thought we did well in the end at 3-2, but obviously we made it a little bit difficult for ourselves. But I thought it was an amazing occasion at Cardiff. Thought it was great there. We'd obviously played there before earlier in the season, had good experiences there being at Europe, but I think that biggest game the biggest cup game in the Welsh calendar in the season, being at that ground was fantastic, and the fans were good, and yeah, I thought it was a great occasion.
Well, congratulations on the double. Congratulations on winning the Manager of the Year award. I'll shake your hand officially when I see you. Enjoy the rest of your holiday.
Thank you very much.